Chapter 10. Living with Smart Machines. Artificial intelligence refers to the intelligence of machines. With artificial intelligence, machines perform functions such as learning, planning, reasoning, and problem solving. It is probably the fastest growing development in the world of technology and innovation. AI is transforming every walk of life. Many organizations like Google, IBM, Amazon, Facebook, etc., are trying to unleash the potential of AI to create better products and services. Applications of AI. Artificial intelligence is used in a variety of ways in today's society. It is becoming increasingly important in today's world because it can efficiently handle complicated problems in a variety of areas, including healthcare, entertainment, banking, and education. Our daily lives are becoming more comfortable and efficient as a result of artificial intelligence. The following are some of the areas where artificial intelligence is used. Gaming. Gaming AI can be utilized to play games. AI machines can play strategic games like chess, in which the system must consider a vast number of probable locations. Healthcare. AI is being used in healthcare industry to make better and faster diagnosis than humans. AI can assist doctors with diagnosis and can alert doctors when a patient's condition is deteriorating so that medical assistance can be provided before the patient is admitted to the hospital. Fact GPT. The Apple Watch already has features which can monitor health. Education. AI can automate grading, giving the instructor more time to educate. As a teaching assistant, an AI chatbot can communicate with students. Finance. AI and finance industries are the best matches for each other. Automation, chatbots, adaptive intelligence, algorithm trading, and machine learning are all being incorporated into financial procedures. Fact GPT. A chatbot is a program or piece of software that automatically responds to messages sent over a website chat box, email, social media messaging app, or text. Data protection. Data security is critical for every business, and cyber attacks on the rise in the digital age. AI can help you keep your data safe and secure. Social media. Facebook, X, formerly Twitter, and Snapchat are just few examples of social media platforms with millions of users' profiles that must be saved and handled efficiently. Huge volumes of data can be organized and managed by AI. AI can sift through large amount of data to find the most recent trends, hashtag, and consumer needs. Transportation and travel. For the travel industry, AI becoming increasingly important. AI is capable of doing a variety of travel-related tasks, including making travel arrangements and recommending hotels, flights, and the best route to customers. The travel industry is utilizing AI-powered chatbots that can engage with clients in a human-like manner to provide better and faster service. Robotics. In the field of robotics, artificial intelligence plays a significant role. Typically, general robots are programmed to execute a single, repetitive activity. However, using AI, we may construct intelligent robots that can perform tasks based on their own experience rather than being pre-programmed. Astronomy. Artificial intelligence, AI, can be extremely helpful in resolving complicated challenges in the universe. AI technology can assist in gaining a better understanding of the universe, including how it operates, its origin, and so on. Agriculture. AI is being used in agriculture in the form of agriculture robotics, solid and crop monitoring, predictive analysis. AI in agriculture has the potential to be extremely beneficial to farmers. Fact GPT. Geokrishi is an app launched by Reliance to help farmers with precision farming. E-commerce. AI is giving the e-commerce industry a competitive advantage, and it is becoming increasingly demanded in the market. Shoppers can use AI to find related products in their preferred size, color, or brand. Branches of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence can be used to solve real-world problems by implementing the following processes techniques. Machine learning. Machine learning is the science of getting machines to interpret, process, and analyze data in order to solve real-world problems. Deep learning. Deep learning is the process of implementing neural networks on high-dimensional data to gain insights and form solutions. Deep learning is an advanced field of machine learning that can be used to solve more advanced problems. Natural language processing. Natural language processing, NLP, refers to the science of drawing insights from natural human language in order to communicate with machines and grow businesses. Robotics. Robotics is a branch of artificial intelligence that focuses on different branches and applications of robots. AI robots are artificial agents acting in a real-world environment to produce results by taking accountable actions. Sophia the humanoid is a good example of AI in robotics. Fuzzy logic. Fuzzy logic is a computing approach based on the principles of degrees of truth instead of the usual modern computer logic, i.e., Boolean in nature. Fuzzy logic is used in the medical field to solve complex problems that involve decision-making. They are also used in automatic gearboxes, vehicle environment control, and so on. Expert systems. An expert system is an AI-based computer system that learns and reciprocates the decision-making ability of a human expert. Types of artificial intelligence. Following the different types of artificial intelligence. Reactive machines. These machines are the basic types of AI. Such AI systems focus only on current situations and react as per the best possible action. They do not store memories for future actions. IBM's Deep Blue system and Google's AlphaGo are examples of reactive machines. Limited memory. These machines can store data or past memories for a short period of time. For example, self-driving cars. They can store information to navigate the road, speed and distance of nearby cars. Theory of mind. These systems understand emotions, beliefs and requirements like humans. These kinds of machines are still not invented, and it's a long-term goal for the researchers to create one. Self-awareness. Self-awareness AI is the future of artificial intelligence. These machines can outsmart humans. If these machines are invented, then it can bring a revolution to human society. Smart homes of future. Technology is transforming homes all over the world. From the fridge to the toilet seat, the smart home will be one of the integrated appliances and furniture. AI has huge potential to change the very homes we live in. We live in an increasingly connected, data-driven world, with countless points of data everywhere from appliances, human activity, browsing habits, and natural environment. AI can collect and analyze multiple data points and use them to make decisions. The ability of AI to monitor, analyze, and provide the best course of action based on this data makes it an integral part of the smart home concept. Smart devices such as thermostats, lighting, appliances, and security systems can be automated and controlled remotely through AI-driven apps or voice commands. Companies are building such products or smart devices like digital assistants, smart cameras, smart security, etc., to make our life simpler, safer, and convenient. Fact GPT. Molly Robotics is a robotics company headquartered in London, UK that developed, created and put on the market the first robotic kitchen based on a multifunctional cooking platform. A smart kitchen could even prepare meals for us. Molly is the world's first fully robotic kitchen with robotic arms which is as skillful as a top chef. Automation provides an innovative way to keep our home secure. The smart devices installed in a smart home are connected wirelessly to the internet. These devices have sensors and software that allow them to communicate with other devices and help in collecting data for which they are programmed. Smoke sensor is an example of smart devices that is used in smart homes to detect fire and gas leak incidents. It detects the presence of smoke or harmful gas in their surroundings and alert the people inside the house. Smart home devices. A smart device is any electronic device that can be connected to a smart home system and can make decisions on its own. Connected refrigerators, fire alarms, smart TVs, and door locks are all in the market currently or under development. Integrating AI into these devices will help create a hyper-connected home where devices learn homeowners' schedules and patterns. Let's have a look at the smart home devices that make everyday life easier for us. Smart camera allows us to view our home at any time from any location using our smartphone or other connected device. We can have a seamless control of all aspects of our residence with a flick of the switch. We can directly receive a video on our device. We can receive video alerts when our motion detection camera records any movement. Smart virtual assistants such as Siri or Alexa uses speech recognition technology to interact with users to do a variety of tasks. It plays music, books cabs, schedule appointments, sets reminder and does much more on voice commands. Smart lighting manages the lighting in our home easily and more efficiently. It creates ambience in our home or sets the lighting to match our activities. Using AI technology, smart lights connect to an app or smart home assistant like Siri or Alexa, so we can control the light remotely or via voice commands. Smart lock allows users lock and unlock doors through their smartphone or voice command. We can even allow access to a third party, so a guest can unlock the smart lock on the door and enter inside while we are not at home. AI will make the smart home of the future an interconnected place. Recapitulate. With artificial intelligence, machines perform functions such as learning, planning, reasoning, and problem solving. Artificial intelligence is used in a variety of ways in today's society. AI technology can assist in gaining a better understanding of the universe, including how it operates, its origin, and so on. AI is capable of doing a variety of travel-related tasks, including making travel arrangements and recommending hotels, flights and the best routes to customers. Deep learning is an advanced field of machine learning that can be used to solve more advanced problems. The smart devices installed in a smart home are connected wirelessly to the internet and making the smart home of future an interconnected place.
Gloss GPT. Contrast the difference between two objects. Innovation, the introduction of something new. Deteriorating, becoming impaired or inferior in quality or functioning. Implementing, put into effect.